AWS says it plans to deploy 2 million additional NVIDIA GPUs across its global infrastructure in 2027 and 2028. Additional is the keyword. At NVIDIA GTC 2026, AWS had already announced plans to add more than 1 million NVIDIA GPUs starting in 2026. Now it says demand has moved beyond those expectations. This is not a normal server refresh. It is a multi-generation expansion of the physical infrastructure behind AI. The new plan spans NVIDIA Blackwell Ultra, Rubin, and Rubin Ultra GPUs. AWS and NVIDIA also say they will deepen their work across CPUs, high-bandwidth memory, networking, open models, data processing, and robotics. A separate part of the announcement covers AI factories for the U.S. government, including plans for 100,000 GPUs on secure AWS infrastructure. The important point is that AWS is not treating the GPU as a standalone product. It is planning the entire system around it. 2 million accelerators also mean 2 million demands on everything around the chips: power delivery, cooling, optical networking, memory, construction, and operations. That is an inference from the scale of the plan, not a power forecast from AWS. The announcement does not give a total electricity requirement, a project cost, or a region-by-region deployment schedule. So the defensible takeaway is not that all 2 million GPUs are already installed. It is that AWS is preparing for demand at a scale that requires coordinated infrastructure, not just more silicon. The next question is execution. Can AWS secure enough chips, networking gear, data center capacity, and energy on the 2027 to 2028 timeline? And can customers generate enough useful AI work to keep that capacity busy? For now, the announcement is a plan, not proof of delivery. But the number matters because it shows where the cloud race is heading, from selling access to individual GPUs toward building enormous, tightly integrated AI factories. In that race, the winning constraint may sit outside the chip.